Hello sunshine, this is Joy from Michigan in the US, and today I am going to try yet again the Kathleen Miller swipe. I'm just tapping my tile. This is, I think, a 6-inch tile. My husband picked them up for me at the hardware store so that I could do some practice without having a surface that's hard to repaint. This will wipe right off if I don't like it. So, before I start that, I wanted to show you guys one thing real quick. This is a video that will be coming up on my channel soon. This is the ornament that I just finished. It's got a little bit of dragonfly glaze on it, so it's got some extra shiny glitter to it. I wanted to just, first of all, I invite you to watch the tutorial, but I also wanted to give you a heads up because it's a very long one. It's for my Art 1 class, so I needed to give complete instructions. That took me about 2 hours to make that. I have no idea how long that video will be. I may break it into 2 parts, but if you're interested, be watching for that. So today I'm going to do a, what does she call it? A stacked swipe, I think. I'm just going to kind of stack all the colors in a row and then spin it. And I don't have this in my box today because I don't know, I'm either crazy or being brave. It's a smaller piece, so I thought we might be okay with it. So I am using up some of my pigments from my previous swipes. So I'm sorry, I don't know what colors these are. This one definitely, the pigment had settled to the bottom, so I'm just gonna give it a really good stir. And I'll do that with each of my colors as I get ready to put them on my canvas. My tile, I mean. All right, so this is some sort of lavender. And we're just gonna go right across. Okay, I thought I was gonna use that up, but that's really more color than I need, so I may just let that one go. All right, I have, oop, nope, this one. Look how gooey that is. I could probably add some pouring medium to it and salvage it, but I don't know that it's worth it, so we'll just get rid of that one. It's okay, we don't have a ton of colors, but yeah, this one's better. This is another shade of red. I apologize, guys. I'll try to do better about labeling these. I have 2 cell activators today. I have no idea how that's gonna work out. One is orange, because I was trying to go fall colors, but now I've got that lavender and I lost my red I was gonna use, so who knows what I will end up with. A mess, I'm sure. Kathy makes it always look so easy. All right, so I have this red. This one definitely has some glitter in it. It's probably, oh goodness, that came out fast. Okay. It's probably a custom metallic red. And then I'm going to go to my orange cell activator. This is cadmium yellow hue plus cadmium red hue. And Floetrol and mix, 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 mix. No silicone, just Floetrol and paint. I'm sure I'm putting way too much paint on, but we'll see how it goes. I was hoping that I would have a little bit of negative space. I don't think that's gonna happen, guys. All right, I think I'm gonna be really crazy. Look at all my bubbles. There's some really big ones, so I'm trying to get those. I've been told not to use a heat torch on this. Okay, that'll work for now. Just try to get them to come to the top at least that way. Okay, orange cell activator. Then let's do some gold. This is just gold with Floetrol, but it's an older mix, so I don't expect it to do a lot of cell action. But I just like the color. And then we'll use up this lavender. Oh goodness, guys, this is gonna be real interesting. And by interesting, I mean maybe not pretty. Oh, but you know, we can learn together. Okay, last color, we have a cell activator in black. And I know she said be careful to really stir this well, so I am trying to do what she said to do. I feel like that's not really enough black, but maybe it's too much. There's so much to figure out with this technique. It's so different from anything I've ever done, which I love. I don't like doing the same thing over and over, so. All right. Now comes the part that if you have anything on your table that you love, you should take it off the table, put it somewhere safe. I'm going to move my ornament. Okay. Here comes the fun part. I do have cards to swipe with. I just did a regular swipe with silicone the other day. That would be my Christmas tree one, if you guys want to check that video out. That was a lot of fun. And the cards worked really, really well. So just a regular playing card, guys. No super secret squirrel tricks here. I did this wrong. Oh, I need to watch one of her videos. I think she may have had it on her tile and then swiped, but I guess we're just gonna go for it. Ooh, look at that. Okay. I think I might, I don't know where my tile is, but I'm just gonna put some cell activator on my table here. Probably doing this all backwards, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna dip my card in it. See? Okay, interesting. Always clean off my card. I don't use them more than once. Same as Kathy. Okay. Well, I do like the reds together. That's nice. Oops, I almost used the same end of that card, guys. Don't do that. Really like that metallic red in there. That sure is pretty. All right, one more swipe. Not sure I have enough cell activator there, guys, but we'll try. Okay. Well, it's different, that's for sure. Pull this out a little. All right, let's go ahead and wreck this. This section right here, that's what I want to keep. I always have one section that I like, and the rest, maybe not so much. Just trying to do a reswipe with my swizzle stick there, guys. I don't know what that'll do, but there was too much black there for my liking. If I don't like it, I can spin it right off. Okay. I think we're good for now. We may do some more wrecking later. Let's spin it and see what we get. I feel like I didn't need to worry about splattered paint because it's just not moving much at all, guys. It's moving now and it's throwing it across the room. I don't know where it went. I'll find little drops of paint later, I'm sure. Okay. This is really cool. I think I'm using too much cell activator because this center black section is just not making me happy, everyone. I gotta figure that out. But look at this. I'm getting there. There's some really cool effects in this. Just gonna help this corner just a little bit. It didn't quite reach the whole corner. And this here, what happened here? It's like there's just not enough paint. All right. I'm just going to try to tilt it a little. I especially need to get this corner covered because it's just, my paint doesn't want to move. Wow, guys, maybe my paint's too thick because it does not want to move at all. And the stuff that I want to move is not moving, and the stuff that I don't need to move is moving. Okay. Look at it in the sunlight. That's pretty. Sorry, I know you guys can't really see what I'm doing right now. You don't have as much potential to move the paint the way you want it to move. So you just kind of have to accept what you get. I'm not going to spin it any more than that because it'll really start to go wonky. But all right, guys, tell me what you think of this one. I don't like that area over there that I did with the stick, but there's some really pretty stuff here and here. I don't know, I don't see it well. I like this right here too, that's really pretty. So I'll take you guys in for a close-up, see if I can get some even lighting on this, and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for joining me. If you are one of my faithful subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that button so that you know when I have new videos posted. This last week was a bit challenging, but I try to do them more frequently. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much. All right, guys, I added another line to it with a popsicle stick, and I do kind of like that. I tried to follow what was already there. I will probably add some more lines coming off of that just to create some interest, but for now I'm going to stop, and I will show you all the lovely little details. If my camera will focus. These lovely cells right here, so pretty. And then there's these interesting red and white ones. Don't know what to think of that. That gold is so sheeny shiny. I love that. That's that Deco Art 24 karat gold. And then the soft blend of colors here with that pink and gold and orange. It's very pretty. Got some lovely cell action right there. And then just that interesting lacing foggy effect there. So let me know what you think, guys. I will see you on the next one.